Hello, my name is Lynn Gillespie, and this week on the High Performance Garden Show Nuggets, we share with you how to preserve excess greens for eating off-season. Here's a clip from the show. All right, here is our turnip greens that I harvested so that we can get these tomatoes planted. And what I'm going to do with these is I'm going to chop them really thin like I was making coleslaw. And then I'm going to quick blanch them, drain them, pack them in a bag, drop them in the freezer. And then what I can do with the bag of greens that I freeze is I can drop that in soups and casseroles and different things in the winter time. So I have a little more greens than I can eat this week, so I'm going to go ahead and process some so I can eat it on the off season. This clip is from the High Performance Garden Show Year 9, Week 9. If you'd like to watch the whole show, it's free, it's online, and you can enroll on our website at thelivingfarm.org/high-performance-garden-show.